the Infront Excel add-in tutorial, where we will demonstrate how to build templates using ratios, estimates, and fundamentals figures. The INFGET function now allows you to retrieve specific statistics or calculations relative to the requested item that you have requested for any company or instrument. For example, we will now demonstrate how to retrieve the growth, annualized growth, and average value of sales for Danone over the past 3 years using the INFGET function. To use the new syntax function and using the INFGET panel, it is necessary to specify the requested calculation in the second parameter of the INFGET function with the specific calculation parameter. Select the company code cell F2 as your first parameter, then lock it in absolute reference by pressing the F4 button once. Within the field parameter, select the sales cell F7. Freeze the column by pressing F4 3 times. Then, click on the calculation button and select the growth ratio. Set the duration parameter to 3 years. Finally, replace the period parameter with the reference to the first period of your template, H5, and freeze the row by pressing F4 twice. Click on Apply by using the simple function format. As you can see, the second parameter has been updated using the selected calculation and the duration parameter based on the sales field. You can copy the second parameter into F9 to simplify the build of your template. Then set the calculation field directly by cell reference. Drag the cell formula up to the last period column to update the template. Let's compare those figures with the annualized 3-year growth to smooth the result. To do this, copy the previous calculation field in F9 to F10 and replace the growth value to CAGR, which stands for Compound Annual Growth Rate of Net Sales. The other parameters will remain unchanged. Right-click on the H10 cell and select the INFGET panel to help you compose the formula. Lock the company code in absolute reference. Select the F10 cell as your second parameter and freeze the column, and all the parameters will be automatically set in the panel. Set the first value of your periods row as the third parameter, and then freeze the row. Click on Apply using the simple function format. Drag the cell formula up to the last column to update all the calculations. To view the average value of net sales for the past 3 years, copy F10 to F11 and change CAGR by AVG. The other values will stay unchanged. Copy the line H7 to K7 over to H11 to K11. The results will be recalculated and updated automatically. To reproduce the same calculation on another field, let's say net income or shareholders' equity, let's proceed as follows. Select and copy lines from 7 to 11 and paste underneath. Once pasted, select the copied cells. Then, click on Ctrl+H and replace sales by net inc. Click on Replace All, and the calculation will be immediately updated to reflect net income. You can also easily change the duration parameter by selecting all the lines from F7 to H11. Click on Ctrl+H, replace 3 with 5, and then click on Replace All. All the values are now refreshed and updated with the past 5 years' data. Change the company and the results will be automatically updated. Some more indicators can be retrieved on estimates values, including high, low, median, and other values of the consensus estimates of a particular field. In this case, the second parameter has a different spelling. On the second parameter, we use the stat_est keyword For sales, you can ask for the median or standard deviation. Similarly, you could choose from the following drop-down. By using the Help button, you can access a help sheet on the INFGET panel, which gives you a list of indicators and their explanations. Should you have any further questions, please contact support@infrontfinance.com.